Hi viewers, in today's magical and emotional story, meet Hina, a kind-hearted girl living with her cruel stepmother and living stepbrother. One day she rescued injured dove, not knowing it would transform her world for from silver coins appearing under her pillow to food being prepared without her help. Please subscribe my channel and
On a cool July night in a quiet village, Hina, a kind girl, was sleeping in her small hut. Her father worked far away, leaving her with her strict stepmother, Jamila, and stepbrother, Samir. Despite the hardships, Hina found joy in small things and never complained. That night, as she dreamed of her late mother's hopeful words, her hand touched something cold under her pillow.
What's this under my pillow?
She found a shining silver coin, more money than she had ever seen. Her heart pounding, she hid it, thinking how it could help her family.
Maybe I can fix Alma's shawl or Samir's slate.
She kept the coin a secret, and as morning came, she started her chores. As she worked, a pure white dove landed on her window, cooing softly, as if sharing her secret. Hina's life was about to change in ways she never imagined. The white dove visited Hina every morning, leaving small gifts, berries, ribbons, and sometimes another silver coin. Hina loved the dove, believing it was magical. But Jamila noticed the new gifts and grew suspicious.
Hina, where are you getting these things? Are you stealing?
No, mother, I just found them.
Jamila's suspicion led to even harder chores and watchful eyes. Samir, however, watched the dove and believed in Hina's innocence.
I know you're not a thief, Hina. That bird is special, isn't it?
The siblings formed a secret alliance, and Samir helped Hina whenever he could. Jamila's obsession with finding the truth grew, unaware of the quiet magic at work. As Jamila's suspicion deepened, strange accidents began to bother her. Milk spilled, baskets opened, and her hidden coins scattered across the floor, all while the white dove watched.
Why is this happening? Is that bird watching me?
Fear replaced Jamila's anger. She began to believe that an unseen force was punishing her cruelty. Her harshness softened, replaced by caution and respect for the mysterious magic. The tension in the home eased, and Jamila avoided confronting Hina. The dove's presence brought Hina joy and Jamila unease. The strange events taught Jamila a lesson. Kindness holds quiet power, and cruelty brings its own consequences. The atmosphere of the hut softened, and Hina's quiet goodness began to heal old wounds. The magic couldn't be caught, but had to be felt with an open heart. The change had truly begun. Months later, Hina's father returned, sensing a new peace in his home.
Papa, you're back.
The family gathered, happier and closer than before. The white dove watched from the window.
What a beautiful bird. Has it been here long?
Yes, Papa, every day.
It's Hina's friend, a good omen.
That night, Hina said goodbye to the dove, feeling its gentle farewell.
Your kindness has changed your world, Hina. My work here is done.
The dove flew into the night, its magic complete. The story of Hina and the magical dove lived on, reminding everyone that true kindness is the greatest magic.